Hey, what is up YouTube? I'm TechFanatic from AndroidRoots.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to root your Samsung Galaxy S4 running on any Qualcomm. So make sure your Galaxy S4 is running on Qualcomm. Any US variant should be running on Qualcomm. I know I think a lot of UKs are running on Qualcomm. So as long as you have quad-core Qualcomm, you'll be fine, and this will root it. If you do have octa-core, this guide will not work for you. You can go and try it. It's not going to work. It really shouldn't work. But if you want to try it, you can go ahead. The worst thing that can happen to your phone if you're gonna try and root it, the script is gonna fail. Nothing with your phone's gonna affect it. You know, your phone's still gonna work. It's gonna be fully functional if the script does fail. So no worries there. But let's go ahead and root it. So I'm gonna go and hop into settings and go all the way down to more, about device, and show you I'm running on Jelly Bean, so Android version 4.2.2. And now we have to go ahead and enable developer options, because you can see there's no developer options right here. So go into about device, go all the way down to build number, and keep tapping on that until it says you are now a developer. As you can see right there, it was right there. So going back out of that, and now you have developer options. Tap on that, and now developer options should automatically be turned on. If not, turn it on. And now USB debugging, turn it on as well. And okay, so both that is on and that is checkmarked. After that is done, go ahead and plug in your phone via micro USB, and let's go and other one. Go and plug it into your computer via micro USB and the other side to USB ports. And then we're going to go and root our Galaxy S4 running on Qualcomm quad core on our Windows computer. And if you have a Mac or Linux computer, I'll have an annotation somewhere on the screen, so you can go and check out that guide as well. Let's go and do this. Okay, so you do have two files right here. Let me go and try to focus that just a little bit better. Oh, that does come up, so I'll just try to leave it right there. Alright, so you do have two files, Moto Chopper and Samsung USB driver. What you have to do first is go and install this. I'll have links down below for all the files, both this file and the USB driver, and a written step-by-step guide on this whole video as well, just in case if you want to read more than watching a video. You have the options. Just go and click on the link down below and you'll be good to go. So let's go and install this one first. Run it, and give it a few seconds just to load up. And it'll say I already have it installed. I believe that's what it should say. Yeah, I do. So it says Samsung's drivers for mobile phone is already installed on your computer. Do you want to proceed to install anyway? I'm going to go ahead and say no, but if this message does come up, and even if it doesn't come up, or if it does, either way, just tap on yes and go and install it just in case, and make sure in the latest USB driver. But I already went ahead and installed this version, so I'm already fine and good to go. So I'm going to go and select no, but you should go and select yes, go and install it, and you should be good to go. And once you have that installed, I'm going to go and open up Device Manager. So Device Manager right here. You can go and search in the start bar, and I should have it right here, the Samsung. So it's loading up. And right there we go actually. We have Samsung right there. So Samsung Android phone. Tap on the little bar right there, and it says it right there, Samsung Android ADB interface. So you should have that. It should show up after you finish installing the drivers. If it doesn't show up, make sure your phone is plugged in and restart your computer, and then you should be good to go. If not, go and comment down below, or go ahead and contact me through one of my social networks, and I should be able to help you out. Okay, now we're going to go and open up Moto Chopper folder right here. And right here it says it says run right here, so run right there, and it says Windows batch file. Go and open that up, and it's gonna go and do its whole rooting thing. So right here, and there we go. It says please enter, press enter to root your phone. Press any key to continue. So I'm gonna go and zoom out so you can see what's happening on my phone and on the screen at the same time. Let's go move that to the side right there, and here's my phone. So I'm gonna press enter. And now it's going to go and start up, and it says waiting for device. Let me go and move that. It moved by itself. There we go. Now it says Damien started successfully. I don't know how to pronounce that, but as you can see it's going. And it started successfully. Let me make sure my phone screen is turned on. So as you can see, this does come on, allow USB debugging. So make sure your screen is turned on. Tap allow, and now it's going to be working. It's going to go and do its whole thing. And it should be done within a few seconds. Very, very easy to do. And it's going to go on reboot, and you'll be done. So I'm going to wait, give it a few seconds to make sure that you guys see the whole process before it does reboot. Alright, so it says exploit complete. Press enter to reboot and exit. So I'm going to press enter. And now your phone, your Galaxy S4, is going to reboot, and you're going to have super user. So I'll give it a few seconds just to reboot so you can see what's happening. And I felt vibration, and there you go, it is rebooting. So I'll be right back once it does finish rebooting. Alright, so my phone has finished rebooting, and now I should have Super User, so let's go and take a look at that. There we go, Super User right here. So I'm going to go to install ROM Manager, or not ROM Manager, I'm going to go and install Titanium Backup and see if I do get Super SU permission. So I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi, go in Play Store, and install it, so I'll be right back. Alright, so it is finished. Go and tap Open, and we should get Super User Request. Awesome, so it did work, sweet. Remember choice forever, allow, and now we should be good to go. So let's see if it does work. Okay, tap OK, OK, and OK, and now it says root access right there. Let me go and zoom in and show you guys right there. Root access, OK, it says check mark, OK, tap for more info. So it does work. As you can see, you do get root access with this. So it does kind of inject Super User into your device with an exploit. And that's how you root your Galaxy S4 running on Qualcomm. So as long as you have Qualcomm on your Galaxy S4, as long as it's a variant of Qualcomm, you're going to be good to go, and you'll be able to root it on Windows, and I'll have a guide for Mac and Linux as well. Annotation somewhere here, like I mentioned earlier. And that is how you do it. That's how you root it. Sweet. Very, very easy to do. Took only a couple minutes like I showed you. But if you did enjoy this video, hit that like button and consider subscribing in the bottom left hand corner, as I do have tons of videos on Galaxy S4 from ROM reviews, clock recovery, rooting, and just general tips for Galaxy S4 and many other Android devices as well. So be sure to subscribe. And if you need help on this, maybe something went wrong, maybe drivers don't recognize your phone, you can go and contact me through Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. All 3 links are down below. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and link down below for all the files and step-by-step guide and all that too. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.